After the discussions at the Parliament, we have decided to keep the country updated regarding the matters that concerns us right now. This press release is strictly going to address the ongoing crisis of coronavirus situation, and the questions shall reflect that. The World Health Organization has already declared this medical emergency as a pandemic. Now we are also going to respond to this situation in a similar way.
The Health Ministry told us that India is not considering the situation as an emergency. Why was this issue not discussed in February 2020 along with other issues?
Well, we did receive a circular back then from WHO, but things were not so drastic back then. Keeping things in mind, now an emergency national lockdown has been imposed.
Oxford has already started off the research on the virus and making its way into producing a vaccine. Where do we stand?
Well, the Serum Institute has already started with their research. As we all know, the Institute's only motto is to produce a large number of vaccines at higher volumes and at lower costs. So, we look forward to a steady procurement of the vaccines and make it available to our people to fight the situation properly.
The number of reported cases are rising every other day. So are the number of deaths. Do you think this could have been averted?
We are taking everything surrounding this crisis very seriously. We are trying to take everything under control. Please try to understand that this is a new situation for all of us, and we are learning as we are going through.
Where's the data regarding the current number of detected cases and the number of deaths?
We have made available all the data with our public at all times. You can find the latest data on the Ministry of Health's official website. There's no need to think that we are going to hide any actual figures from our public. We will discuss the Union Budget in the Parliament soon. The Union Budget of 2021 focuses towards the economic restoration of the nation. For healthcare, the allocated budget has shown an increase by 137% from rupees 94,452 crores to rupees 2,20,000 crores. And as you know that there has to be more institutions for healthcare, so we are looking forward for that. And so this budget proposes scheme and development for new institutions to detect and cure from the new diseases.
Coronavirus vaccines were supplied to other nations, which is understandable. But did we keep enough for ourselves?
Yes, we did. We did send a lot many vaccines to other countries, but that was for the sake of humanity. We do have enough vaccines for our own people as well. However, with the growing concern and the need for the vaccines, there has been some kind of a shortage. But there's nothing to worry about because this new budget is going to solve it all.
The CoWIN app is slowing down every other day. Vaccinations for citizens between 18 and 44 years of age have started recently and has become a failure too.
Why did the government announce that if all the slots for registration show a null status? What's the real cause?
Does the government want to admit that the lockdown was imposed without any notice?
Is there a shortage of vaccine to such a degree? Or is it that there are no vaccines anymore?
People who have received the first dose, they are not getting any slots for the second dose. How is this going to work?